It's another day, another blessing. For today's video, matutunghayan natin ang grand launch ng bagong ride-hailing super app na Pure Ride dito sa Mall of Asia Music Hall. Ang Pure Ride na ang bagong magsusundo sa iyo. Mabilis, maasahan, at swak sa budget. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! Sabay-sabay tayong mag-download ng Pure Ride!
Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride. Get small, get score, get kita sa Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride. Yeah, sa Pure Ride, get kita. Pure Bank, Pure Meals, Pure Mart, coming soon. Today the Philippines, tomorrow the world, yes. Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride.
Our team come together to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of the incredible team. Of course, they are all at the back at our office right now. This marks the beginning of our journey. The very first Spirit customer will proudly serve more than just a lunch. Today signifies the official start of our mission to revolutionize the way people move, ensuring safety, affordability, convenience for all. Let's take a step back to where it all began. The very first day, we envisioned this app. From the onset of our top priority has been security. We wanted to create a platform that not only provides seamless access to transportation, but also offers real-time tracking, allowing loved ones to monitor them for added peace of mind. Beyond security, we recognize the importance of balancing affordability for passengers with fair earnings for drivers. Ayan. Our search pricing model has been carefully designed to ensure that drivers receive fair compensation while still keeping rides accessible and cost-effective for people that we serve. Lastly, adaptability is our key commitment to continuously enhance and update the app, introducing new features and services to meet the evolving needs of our customers. Today, we begin fleet of 250 vehicles, but that is just the beginning. Our goal is to expand to 1,000 vehicles by the end of Q1. Of course, we plan to introduce vans for lineup very soon. We're also thrilled to embark on this journey with you. Your trust and support drive us forward. And we can't wait to make every Pure Ride experience safe, convenient, and memorable. Dahil sa Pure Ride, get kita. Thank you for coming, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. A new beginning for Filipino transportation. Today is more than just a launch of a new venture. It is the start of a movement, a commitment to something bigger than ourselves. This journey is not just for my team. It is for every Filipino who has ever dreamed of a better way to move, to travel, to experience the future today. I have traveled the road, and in every great city I visited, one thing stood out: service. In the USA, in China, I witnessed self-driving cars and advanced technologies, seamlessly shaping daily lives. In the West, service excellence is not just an expectation, it's a way of life. And so, I ask myself, why should we settle for less? Do Filipinos not deserve the same level of service, comfort, and efficiency? For too long, we have accepted okay na. As long as it works, it's good. But it's really, shouldn't we demand more? Shouldn't we strive the best? As a businessman, my purpose has always been to serve, whether by improving emergency equipment or ensuring that every Filipino has access to high-quality rides. My inspiration has always been people of this nation. And now, That same inspiration drives me to take on a new challenge, to transform the way we move. We are not just launching another ride-hailing service. We are building something greater. A new era of transportation that puts Filipinos first. Our vision, a future of possibilities. Our vision stands on three core pillars. One, unmatched experience. Imagine stepping into a clean, fresh smelling car, greeted by a gorgeous driver, and enjoying a ride that feels effortless. This is what we want for every Filipino. A ride worth remembering, a service worth sharing. Two, sustainability for the next generation. The future of transportation must be green. By integrating electric vehicles, we are not just reducing our environmental footprint, but also helping drivers cut fuel costs so they can take home more for their families. Number three, endless mobility options. Our journey doesn't stop with cars. We will expand to vans, motorcycles, yachts, and even flight bookings. The future of transportation should know no limits. We are here to push the boundaries, to open doors, and to redefine what is possible. This is not just about business. This is about nation building. I know the road ahead will be filled with challenges, but I also know that together we can make this happen. With passion, dedication, and a shared vision for a better future, we will change the way Filipinos move, not just today, but for generations to come. Because you deserve better, because we understand. Kasi, get it up.
Bali, first time ko manalo po ng Kapag as in. Ito pa, worth it po yung tag-ihintay namin. Salamat po sa Pure Ride.
Thank you so much for joining our event.
Garantisado ang safe ride. Sagot na namin ang smooth ride. Sa Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride. Gets mo, gets ko, get kita sa Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride. Ah yeah, sa Pure Ride, get kita. Pure Bank, Pure Meals, Pure Mart, coming soon. Today the Philippines, tomorrow the world, yes. Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride, Pure Ride.